So today I want to show you how to set up your MINIPAY account in readiness for payments coming from Opera News Hub. Yeah. So first of all, you need to download the app, MINIPAY app from Play Store. You'll just go to Play Store, quick. I've already downloaded the app myself. So after going to Play Store, you'll search MINIPAY. This is how the app looks like on top here. This is how MINIPAY looks like. So make sure if you've already downloaded it, make sure you update it so that it can function properly. You get. So in my case, I already have the app, but I have updated the app. After getting the app, what you do, you'll go and open it. You go and open the app. Yeah, after opening, this screen will appear after you open the app, the MINIPAY app. So for you to now set up your MINIPAY app, for you to be ready to receive payments, yeah, you will have to sign in with Google. Down here there's a button saying sign in with Google. Just press that button. After pressing that button, you'll choose any account, your Google account. You can create a new one or choose the one that you already have on your phone, because yeah, I'm guessing you already have an email on your phone, or 2 or 3 of them. So I have several, so I'll choose Freddy News because that is what I'm using for my article writing job in Opera News Hub. So after choosing the email, you get to this page whereby the MINIPAY app is warning you. Yeah, they're saying access to your wallet is secured by your Google account. That's 1. Number 2, warning, never share your Google account with anyone. Okay, then never share your phone's PIN with anyone. That's what MINIPAY is telling you, so that you can stay safe on the app. So just press next. After reading that, press next. Just input the PIN and yeah, continue to the next step. So wait for it to load. Then on this page now, you are required to input a phone number that you input here. Listen to me carefully. This stage is very crucial. Okay, so because if you just guess a number, if you just put any number here, you will not have done yourself justice. You need to put a number that you use. Yeah, you use mobile money on, like your Safaricom number, your Airtel number if you're in Kenya. If you're in other countries, just put the number you use for transactions. Okay, yeah, the mobile money number. Okay, in my case it's my Safaricom number, so I'll just input it here. 94, it is 07.
94, 650, 22.
You will realize that they will tell me the number is already registered. That's because I already have an account. So when I do this, they will tell me the number is already in use. You get. So you will receive a code which you will input there. You get. After inputting the number, you will receive a code. Yeah, for me I have enabled automatic detection, so that's why I don't need to write it down, it just came automatically. So if your phone is not set to do that, you can just look for the code and then input it manually. Okay, yeah, so you can see that my registration is failing because this number is already registered. So in your case you're a new member, you're a new person registering, so I don't expect yours to have issues. So after putting in your number and getting the code and inputting the code, you will have accomplished that mission of setting up your MINIPAY in readiness for the payments which you'll be getting from Opera News Hub. So until there, I think I will stop there. That is all you need to know right now. This is the first step if you want to do Opera News Hub business. So this is the first step. You first make sure your MINIPAY is set up, and then make sure the number you input in this MINIPAY app is the same number you're intending to use to open the Opera News Hub account, so that you don't mix up. I'm telling you so that you don't mix up the numbers. It should be the same number you input in MINIPAY. That should be the same number you register when you're making your new account on Opera News Hub. I think up to there we are clear. Yeah, so just there's a link up here, showing up here. I want you to click that link. It will direct you to the next video you need to watch, the video about how to set up the video that will show you how to set up your new Opera News Hub account, so that you are set to go, and so that you can start earning money from your content, you get. So yeah, I will pin it down below, and also there's a screen showing up here, so that you can go and watch that video. Okay, yeah, it's very important. They complement each other. The two videos they go hand in hand, so you can't watch one and leave the other. They go hand in hand, but make sure you watch this one first. So that is it from me today. If you've not subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing and clicking the bell icon, so that anytime I upload new content of this nature, you'll be the first one to know. Yeah, I love you so much. Let's continue pushing, let's continue grinding. Yeah, that was it from me, guys. Peace out.